The year is 1969. The muscle car era is at its peak, and Ford unleashes one of its most iconic beasts onto the road, the Mustang Boss 429. A true legend, built not just for the streets, but for NASCAR dominance. With its aggressive stance and raw power, the Boss 429 became a symbol of performance, rarity, and automotive history. Today, we take a closer look at this legendary machine. The exterior of the Boss 429 is an embodiment of power and style. It stands wide and low, with every curve engineered to intimidate and impress. From its bold, muscular fenders to the functional hood scoop, this car was built to turn heads. The car's iconic front chin spoiler and wide rear fenders give it an aggressive presence. But it's not just about looks, everything about this design was meant to enhance performance and aerodynamics. Under the hood lies the heart of the Boss 429, a massive 429 cubic inch V8 engine. Built for NASCAR, this engine delivers 375 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Mustangs of its time. Every inch of this engine is a work of art, designed for maximum performance. The Boss 429 was a limited production car, with only 1,358 ever built, making it a rare and sought-after collectible today. Step inside the Boss 429, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. This is where the driver and machine become one. The black bucket seats, for speed manual shifter, and classic Mustang steering wheel, all designed to give you control over the car's incredible power. The cabin may be simple, but it's all about focus, on the road, the speed, and the thrill of driving a true muscle car. The Boss 429 was born out of Ford's desire to compete in NASCAR. Homologation rules required the engine to be installed in street cars, and thus, the Boss 429 Mustang was born. A car built for the racetrack, but made available to the lucky few who could get their hands on one. To this day, the Boss 429 remains one of the most iconic Mustangs ever produced, thanks to its rarity, its engineering, and the legacy it built on the track. But the Boss 429 isn't just about looks or history, it's about performance. The sound of that roaring 429 V8 is unmistakable. A car that was meant to be driven hard, with every rev reminding you of its power. The 1969 Mustang Boss 429 is more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. A symbol of American muscle, a testament to engineering, and a reminder of the golden age of performance vehicles. This car will forever hold a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. This is the Boss 429. A true legend.